Let's get started. MHS Dev. Learn, build, inspire. In the previous videos, we implemented user sign-in and sign-up using Firebase. Now, we are adding navigation logic to seamlessly direct users to the dashboard upon successful login or sign-up. If you haven't watched the previous videos, we are creating a full 𝗙𝗶𝗂𝗏 UI playlist. Check the description for the link and watch them first. We are using Stream Builder in the Navigation Routes class to navigate users from the login or sign-up screen to the dashboard screen upon successful authentication. Since we were already logged in from the previous lecture, you can see that after implementing the navigation logic using Stream Builder, a hot restart now directly navigates us to the dashboard screen. Now, we are adding a temporary logout button on the dashboard screen to log out the user and navigate back to the login screen. Keep going, you're doing amazing. Every step brings you closer to mastering Flutter. We are designing the elevated button for the logout functionality, customizing its background color, text style, and overall appearance. Now, we're setting up the dashboard block and dashboard state by copying the login block and login state, pasting them into the dashboard/block folder, and restructuring them for dashboard-specific state management. Optimizing our dashboard state. We're removing unnecessary Boolean values and keeping only 𝗏loading, which will be useful when implementing the sign-out functionality in dashboard block. Refactoring dashboard block. We're removing unnecessary methods copied from login block, keeping only sign-in user, renaming it to sign-out user, and updating its functionality for user sign-out. Stay focused, you're making great progress. Declaring the sign-out user method in the 𝗬𝗏𝗍 abstract class and implementing its functionality in the 𝗬𝗏𝗍 implementation class for user sign-out. Now we are calling sign_out_user method on Logout button tap to sign out the user. We encountered a block provider error when tapping the Logout button because the dashboard block was not provided when navigating to the dashboard screen. To fix this, we need to wrap the dashboard screen with a block provider to ensure it has access to the required state. This will allow the sign out functionality to work correctly without errors. We have successfully implemented the Logout functionality, and upon tapping the Logout button, the user is now signed out and navigated back to the login screen. When signing up, the Stream Builder correctly navigates us to the dashboard screen, but since we previously pushed onto the sign-up screen, navigating back only shows the dashboard. To fix this, we need to pop the sign-up screen immediately after a successful sign-up, ensuring a smooth transition without back navigation. The issue is now resolved. After signing up, the app correctly navigates to the dashboard screen. Everything is now working as expected. The navigation flow is smooth, and the app behaves just as intended. See you in the next lecture. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe.